Hey guys, hope you are having an awesome day so far. I have been cooking so much meat. My wife has been complaining, so I'm going to make a vegetarian curry, cauliflower curry. Okay, let's go. This is an easy cauliflower curry. All you need is chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, no spices, no curry leaf. If you have spices, if you have curry leaf, use it. If you don't have, it's fine. It involves tomato, onion, garlic, ginger paste. So I have no tomato in the fridge. I'm going to use spaghetti sauce. Okay? It's a cheat. I know it's wrong, but I'm going to use spaghetti sauce anyway. Pasta sauce. Okay? Cauliflower, about 500 gram, 3 to 500 gram. Peas for some green color. Carrot for some red, pink color. Onion, garlic, ginger. Let's go.